Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the evaporator thermistor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove all of the applicable shelving to more easily reach the evaporator fan cover. Remove all 4 bins. Uninstall the upper and lower crisper shelving and supports, being careful not to damage the glass. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws to release the evaporator fan cover. Unthread the 4 screws securing the evaporator cover. Detach the grounding wire, and you can fully remove the cover. Detach the old thermistor from the evaporator tubing and disconnect the wire connector. Install the new evaporator thermistor by connecting the wire connector. Then snap the component onto the evaporator tubing. Reinstall the evaporator cover by first attaching the grounding wire. Then position the cover and rethread the screws. Realign the evaporator fan cover and rethread the screws. Reposition the upper and lower crisper shelving and supports. Replace the 4 bins. Replace any upper shelving as necessary. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.